This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
Hello, welcome to my student support system. Dear students, today we will discuss about inventory control. In previous lecture of material management, there was a subtopic inventory control, and in that lecture I told you that soon we will come with the lecture on inventory control. So this is a short lecture on inventory control. This lecture is in English, and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture. Let us start. What is inventory control? Inventory control, first of all, we should understand what is inventory. Inventory is defined as the blocked working capital of an organization or institution. It is also known as the stock to ensure uninterrupted supply and work as a cushion between estimated and actual demand of material. Inventory is anything that is acquired, purchased, and held prior to its use. It means all the material and supplies which are kept and recorded on registers by an organization and is kept in stock for some time before its actual use. Then it is inventory. And what is inventory control? Inventory control is defined as the process of stocking adequate number of material so that they are available whenever required. Inventory control is concerned with minimizing the total cost of inventory management and keeping a track on inventory or stock of the material. Inventory management system. What is inventory management system? It is defined as the process of efficiently managing the flow of material, effectively using the equipment and availability of the information of the whole process to the administrators. What are the objectives of inventory control? Inventory control is very useful. It has some goals or objectives. These are: number one, to have optimum level of inventory, means sufficient number of material should be available, always available. This is our prime objective. And then to supply the required material in time, to avoid shortage of the stock, to meet unforeseen future demand, to minimize the inventory cost, to provide maximum client service by meeting their demand timely, to minimize the losses due to deterioration or damage of the stock, to make better utilization of available material, to locate and dispose inactive and obsolete store items, uh, setting up of stock level. What are stock level? Different stock levels we will discuss here. Main stock levels are minimum level. Minimum level means minimum level is the minimum stock to be maintained for smooth functioning of the institution. This stock should be available all the time. We can understand it that in this way, that minimum level is reorder level minus average uses per period, say per month or per year, and average time to obtain delivery. What is maximum level? Maximum level is the level of the stock beyond which the stock is never maintained. Maximum level is reorder level minus expected minimum consumption multiplied by reorder quantity. What is reorder level? Reorder level is the level of stock at which the order should be placed. Reorder level equal to maximum reorder period multiplied by maximum uses. Then average stock level. Average stock level is average of minimum and maximum level. Average stock level equal to maximum level plus minimum level divided by 2. So these levels should be maintained for each and every article. Then reserve stock. Reserve stock is the excess usage requirement during normal lead time. And what is lead time? It is the time spent between making the decision of stock replacement and actual availability of the goods in the store. Means when demand is created and how much time it will take to receive the articles in the stock. Safety stock. It is the stock for usage at normal rate during the extension of lead time. Then average inventory. The average inventory is the sum of the safety stock and half the reorder quantity. Then inventory classification. There are many techniques available for inventory classification. These are ABC analysis, WVED weight analysis, FSN analysis, SDE analysis, HML analysis, XYZ analysis, Golf analysis and SOS analysis. About these analysis in detail we will study in different lectures separately. You can subscribe the channel so that you can get notification about those lectures. Thank you students for watching this video. For making your notes you can visit the blogger mynursingstudent.blogspot.com. Here you can get your notes for different subjects. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.